Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your US Trading Mentor's free trading video for Tuesday, September 6, 2011. Today we had a total of 9 executable trade signals for a max potential of 38 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning. We had a large gap down, and we opened up right around 11th 38.25, and we immediately went into a signal long that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 8 ticks as the market continued to push higher. Went through yesterday's half gap and almost cleared the closing level for yesterday before ultimately pushing back down through our moving average, giving us a signal to the downside. That second signal ended up, we were able to get our first contract off, but we are stopped out T1 minus 2 on that as the market quickly pushed higher through the previous day's low, and that was only the partial day that the market was open on Monday, into an extension long. That extension did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 11 ticks, and then the market really popped right at the 10 o'clock news time frame. As soon as we had that push to the upside, we came back down through our moving average into a signal short. First contract was able to get off, but we were stopped out of that secondary position before ultimately seeing the market trade down to what would have been a winner. Unfortunate on that stop out there for the secondary position. But the market did find support again after it pushed down close to the open and then started moving higher. Gave another signal to the long side. This one was a false signal, ended up in a full stop out T0 minus 14, and then went into a signal short, which was a T1 minus 2, and then another fast move to the upside set up that extension long, which ended up giving us targets 1 and targets 2 for 14 ticks to the upside. And then the market pretty much from that point on climbed the rest of the morning and into the afternoon. You can see it just kept coming down to our gold moving average, bouncing higher. During the lunchtime dead zone, the red area you're about to see on the charts here, this is a time where we do not initiate any new trades. The market did come down underneath the moving average, but because we don't initiate trades between 11:30 and 1:15, we did not get that original signal. It wasn't until after 1:15 that we had another signal to the downside. And I'm sorry, it was before 1:15 we had that signal to the downside, but that was an invalid signal. There wasn't an opportunity for us to take that, so the next push to the upside did signal a long that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 18 ticks as the market pushed to the highs of the day up there around 1163 at the 2:30 reversal time frame. They sold that off, ended up coming down, give us a signal short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks, and then after the 3 o'clock time frame, the market did ultimately cross back above the moving average and went higher. But again, just like our lunchtime dead zone, after 3 we do not initiate any new trades. So it was a very active day. We actually had a full stop out there in the morning, but we made up for that and then some. Ended up with 9 trades for 38 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.